Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a refreshing green juice recipe packed with ingredients that are amazing for your gut health, digestion and overall health. This is one of my favorite juice for energy boost and to support my body. So for this juicing recipe, I will be using some celery, lemon, ginger, cucumber, green apple, parsley, cilantro, and some spinach. I'm going to start off by washing all of the ingredients, cut them into smaller pieces, and put them in a separate bowl to make the juicing process easy for me. So with cucumbers, I love to wash them using a dish soap. I will wash them and chop them, and put them in a separate bowl. Cucumbers are one of my favorite hydrating vegetables. I love cucumbers a lot. I use them in my salad. If I'm making a juice, I love to add them in my juicing. So if you're like me that has acne and wants of glowing skin, you definitely want to use cucumber. It helps flush out toxins and keep your skin glowing. Now, when it comes to green juice, sometimes it could be tasteless and you will not want to drink it. I like to add green apple to my green juice. It gives it that sweetness, and it also has some soluble and insoluble fiber, and that helps with your digestion and also support your gut health. Celery is packed with amazing fiber. If you have issues with bloating, you don't want to skip celery. I'm going to wash my parsley and cilantro, chop them into smaller pieces, and put them in a separate bowl. One thing I love about these herbs is that they help clean your liver, and they also support digestion as well. I don't play with them. I don't joke with them. I usually like for my green juice, I would love to add them to my green juice. And finally, guys, for the spinach, my nutrient, I call it my nutrient powerhouse, rich in iron, vitamins, and fiber. Guys, spinach promotes healthy digestion. Don't ever skip it. You want to have it in most of your green juice. I love spinach. So guys, for this, I will just chop them, put them in separate bowls, and then just juice them out and put them in containers and put them in the fridge. So if you're wondering how long I keep my juice, I usually will store my juice for 4 to 5 days. That's max 5 days. And I will just, if go past that day, nobody drinks it in my house.